This is exactly how I started making money and turned profitable in trading after treating trading as video games. Now hear me out, okay? I used to play a lot of video games even way back before I started trading. They have something to do of my success in trading. Now let me give you a quick story. Who am I? I am a profitable day trader, but it wasn't always like this. Here's exactly what happened. So, I started trading 3 years ago in middle school, right? I was 14. I know I'm really young right now too, but I started trading 3 years ago. My friend introduced me to it, and quick story short, I have been profitable for 1 year and I've been trading for 3 years. I was unprofitable and losing for 2 years, but now I'm here to teach you guys exactly why I am profitable and how do I make it happen and how do I make money in these markets. But this video will exactly explain you how you can turn profitable by treating trading like it would be a video game. Let me explain you exactly how. Now, you know, video games, if you have played video games where there's like bosses, the final boss, and you cannot yet destroy him, you cannot yet get the rewards from destroying the final boss because you don't have the skill set yet, you don't have the stats yet. So what do you need to do in video games? You need to upgrade your character, you need to upgrade every stat, upgrade the fighting skill, upgrade everything, upgrade your weapons, upgrade your abilities, everything. And once you have finally upgraded every stat in the video game of your character, then you can finally attempt to beat the final boss. And if you know something about these video games, when you actually beat the final boss, you get a lot of rewards and you get stronger and you just become unbeatable. So, I think you guys already guessed it. Think that the markets are the final boss. These markets right here, they are the final boss of the video game. And how can you exactly become profitable by viewing it as a video game? Like, look, you are the character. You are the character that you need to upgrade. Stats, your skill set, your strategy, also your mind, your abilities, your psychology, your risk management, your discipline, everything is aligned. And everything and every one of those are stats that you need to upgrade in order to become profitable in this trading. Now, the thing here is, most of you guys and most of the people, most of the traders do not understand that. They think that they can just come here and get into the markets and then they just wonder how the hell do they get beat down and destroyed by the markets. Well, because they haven't upgraded their stats yet. When you view it like this, it gives you like this motivation and drive to actually upgrade yourself. Now, when you upgrade yourself, you gotta understand it will take time. It's just like in video games. Like, I remember when I played video games, I used to literally sit there for hours to kill some freaking monsters for literally hours in the same spot to level up so I can beat the boss, etc. And most of y'all are not ready to do that in trading, but you're ready to do that in video games. Why? Well, first of all, you understand that rewards are crazy good in trading. You could make unlimited amount of money in trading once you're profitable. But most of y'all are not patient enough. What happens for most of the people? They quit, they do a bunch of dumb stuff and over risk, over leverage, lose the account, and then they blame the markets, then they blame everybody else except themselves. And I'm just being real here with you guys. Do not freaking, I know some of y'all may get angry, but if you're not profitable, it's all your fault. Your fault. Like, for real. It's your fault completely. It's your fault you didn't upgrade your stats. It's your fault that you over leverage. It's your fault that you haven't put the time in to learn the strategy completely. You haven't put the time in to actually be in the markets all of the time. I know it takes time, but if you have only been in these markets for like 1 year, then do not expect to get anything. I've been here for 3 years and I became profitable after 2 years, and that's pretty fast. But I realized that I gotta put all in. I gotta go all in and master the markets, master myself. Because in the end, yes, it's you versus the markets. But really, it's you versus you. It's you versus you, bro. That you are your biggest enemy, bro. You are your biggest enemy. And these markets, your PNL, your trading PNL, your profits is just a reflection of yourself, how you react in these markets. Are you disciplined enough? Are you following a trading plan? Are you actually doing the things that is required for you to become profitable? If not, then you're not seeing results. One advice for you guys from me is, yes, view trading as a video game. You gotta upgrade your stats, but also understand that trading is like a marathon. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. If you know something about marathon is a long-term game. It's a long run. Most of the people quit before getting to the finish line, and it's fucking hard. And only the people who made it to the finish line proved a lot of discipline. They proved that they are worthy enough to actually succeed and get to the finish line before fucking quitting and being a fucking loser. I'm sorry guys, but that's how it goes, bro. So yes, trading is a marathon, but trading is also like a video game. And treat it like a video game. And if you know something about video games, if you have teammates, it's easier. Obviously, it's a solo game. Yes, trading is a solo game. But if you have like-minded people around you that keep you going, then most likely you'll turn profitable. I think you have heard this quote before. You are the sum of people you hang around with, the sum of 5 people you hang around with. Now imagine if you have 5 people that are profitable and they're with you, they are hanging around with you, you will turn profitable because you're seeing exactly what they're doing. They're being disciplined, they're fucking serious about this thing. Now you need like-minded people to increase the odds of you winning, the odds of you succeeding, the odds of you making money in this whole industry, in this whole trading thing. Now, as you can see on the screen, there's the free community that I created, and it's popping, bro. Everyone, the people are joining, the people are sharing their thoughts, the people are sharing advice to each other so they can actually develop and become more profitable and increase the odds to succeed, like I told you guys. So be around with like-minded people. If you want to join the free community, join from the description. Let's build something new. Let's build the biggest community. No, it's not for losers. It's not for the people with low ambition, no goals. It's for the people with ambition and drive to actually succeed. But obviously, the choice is yours. But anyways, guys, treat trading like it's a video game. And I promise you, it will be so much more easier and you will actually most likely succeed if you understand what it takes. So upgrade your skill set, upgrade everything. Okay, I will see you on the other side.